1 Samuel 4. The Lost Ark. The Israelites were in a big battle with their old enemies, the Philistines. After losing the first round, the leaders of Israel had a risky idea. They thought, if we bring the Ark of the Covenant, the gold chest that lived in the tabernacle, onto the battlefield, it will act like a magic charm and help us win. Eli's two sons, Hophni and Phinehas, carried the ark into the camp. The Israelites cheered so loudly that the ground actually shook. But they were making a mistake. They were trusting in a golden box instead of trusting in God himself. The Philistines fought harder than ever, and a terrible thing happened. The Israelites were defeated. Hophni and Phinehas both died, and the Philistines captured the ark. When poor old Eli heard the news that the ark was gone, he fell backward off his chair and passed away. It was one of the saddest days in Israel's history. The next chapter, 1 Samuel 5. The God who knocks over statues. The Philistines were celebrating. They took the captured ark to the city of Ashdod and put it in the temple of their fake god, Dagon, like a trophy. They thought their God was stronger than the God of Israel. But the next morning, they walked into the temple and found the statue of Dagon had fallen flat on its face in front of the ark. They picked Dagon up and dusted him off. But the next morning was even crazier. Dagon had fallen again, and this time his head and hands had broken off. Then, everyone in the city started getting sick with itchy, painful bumps. They realized that having the ark wasn't a prize. It was a problem. They sent the ark to another city, but the same thing happened there. The Philistines started passing the ark around like a hot potato because nobody wanted to be near the power of the true God. They finally realized they had to send it back home. God isn't a good luck charm we can use whenever we want. He is the king of the universe. The Philistines learned that even when things look bad for God's people, God is still in control and can take care of himself in the middle of an enemy's temple. The Philistines have had enough of the itchy bumps and falling statues. They've come up with a test involving 2 cows and a new cart to see if the ark really belongs back in Israel. Will the cows go home, or will they stay with their calves? Read chapters 6 to see the ark's road trip back home.